Set it up, honey. Ooh. Alright, so we decided to come to the beach today so that I can get some relaxation and some minerals with the salt water. But guess what? It's about to rain. It's coming down, but I'm not moving. I'm gonna sit right up under this umbrella. This umbrella he's opening up. Okay, so it is raining, but it's not like a downpour. It's just a lot of drizzle. So we're just gonna wait for it to pass. Everybody's still out here. Nobody's leaving. It is still raining out here. South Florida is so bipolar. I don't know what's going on with it. It's raining hard now. And we're stuck under the umbrella. There's people still out there in the water. You can see them. Still out there. Oh, I see the sun coming out. Sunshine's coming out. Okay, so look at the sky. Now the sun want to come out.